Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best mini lighter on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Limitove mini lighter, highlighting its features, performance, and why it stands out. So, let's get started. Product features: sleek and premium metal design. The Limitove mini lighter comes with a stylish, cylindrical metal body that feels solid, modern, and elegant. Its compact shape fits perfectly in your pocket and adds a touch of luxury to your everyday carry. Flameless electronic technology. Instead of a traditional flame, this lighter uses advanced electronic ignition. This makes it safer, wind-resistant, and easier to use outdoors without any risk of the flame blowing out unexpectedly. USB rechargeable convenience. No more buying lighter fluid or replacing batteries. The Limitove mini lighter charges quickly from any USB port, laptop, power bank, or car charger, offering long-lasting performance with zero maintenance hassle. Windproof and weather-friendly use. Its flameless design delivers consistent ignition even in windy or harsh environments. Whether you're on a campsite, beach, or rooftop, this lighter ensures smooth and reliable performance every time. Environmentally friendly choice. With its rechargeable battery and fluid-free design, the lighter contributes to reducing waste. It's a sustainable, cost-effective alternative to disposable lighters and helps support an eco-conscious lifestyle. Versatile, everyday utility. Designed for smokers, travelers, and outdoor lovers, it works perfectly for lighting cigarettes and small fire sources. Its compact size also makes it an ideal companion for hiking and outdoor activities. Perfect gifting option. The elegant metallic finish and modern tech appeal make it a thoughtful gift. Whether for a smoker, collector, or someone who enjoys stylish gadgets, this lighter stands out as a premium and useful accessory. Pros: sleek and stylish metal construction, USB rechargeable and eco-friendly, flameless, windproof technology, compact and pocket-friendly design, excellent for outdoor use. Cons: not ideal for large fire sources. Requires occasional charging. May feel small for users with bigger hands. Final thoughts. The Limitove mini lighter is a perfect blend of elegance, innovation, and everyday convenience. With its modern electronic ignition, durable metal build, and reliable performance, it easily ranks among the best mini lighters available today. This is something you'll love to use every day. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video.